Did you know that you could be getting a 50% bonus on your cash back just by changing how you click a button in your banking app? When I first got my Rogers MasterCard, I figured it was just another standard cashback card. But after using it as my primary driver for a while, I realized most people are leaving money on the table because the best features aren't exactly plug and play. If you want to actually get that advertised 3% value and make the most of the perks, here is exactly how I handle my account. 1. The 1.5x redemption rule. The biggest mistake new users make is redeeming their cash back for a standard statement credit. If you do that, $10 in rewards equals $10. Instead, always wait until you have a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw charge on your transaction history, like your monthly internet or cell phone bill. When you redeem your rewards against a Rogers branded purchase in the app, you get a 1.5x redemption bonus. That same $10 suddenly becomes $15. I've personally set my rewards to manual so I can specifically pick my internet bill every time I hit the $10 minimum, effectively turning my 2% earn rate into a 3% return. 2. Verify your linked status. You only get the 2% unlimited earn rate if you have at least one qualifying service with Rogers, Fido, or Shaw. When I first signed up, I assumed the bank just knew I was a customer. Don't make that mistake. Open the Rogers Bank app, go to your account settings, and ensure your service account is actively linked. If it isn't, you're stuck at a mediocre 1% earn rate. It usually takes about a week to sync, so check this immediately after your first login. 3. Claim your free roaming. This is a hidden perk that's easy to forget until you're at the airport. You get 5 free roam like home days every year. The catch? They don't carry over, and they reset on your card's anniversary date, not the calendar year. I've found the best way to use these is for short weekend trips across the border. You don't need to activate them in advance. Once your accounts are linked, Rogers automatically applies the credit to your bill when it sees you roaming. Just keep a mental note of your anniversary date so you don't lose them. 4. Use the 0% financing wisely. If you're looking for a new phone, the equal payment plan is a game changer. You can finance a device through Rogers at 0% interest for up to 48 months. I used this to snag my last upgrade without a massive upfront cost. It keeps your monthly cash flow steady, and because the card has no annual fee, you aren't paying a subscription just to access the financing. 5. US dollar strategy. If you have the Rogers Red World Elite version, you get 3% back on US dollar purchases. Even after the 2.5% foreign exchange fee, you're still netting 0.5% in profit. While it's not as good as a dedicated no FX card, it's a solid backup for cross-border shopping or online USD subscriptions, especially since most other cards charge you the full 2.5% with no offset. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.